Advanced Seamless Gutters is Southwest Florida's largest and most experienced installer. Here's how it works. We'll visit your house and design a gutter system that looks great and, most importantly, will handle perfectly any rain conditions that come your way. Get your free quote and accurate estimate to protect your home now. Call us today. As Southwest Florida prepares for the upcoming rainy season, it's important to make sure your home is protected from water damage. Damaged or clogged gutters can lead to water pooling around your foundation, causing costly damage and potentially dangerous mold growth. That's why it's important to have your gutters inspected and repaired by a professional team, like the experts at Advanced Seamless Gutters. With over 25 years of experience, Advanced Seamless Gutters has the knowledge and expertise to provide the highest quality gutter services. Their satisfied customers know they can trust Advanced Seamless Gutters to keep their homes safe and dry, even in the heaviest of rains. Proper gutter maintenance is essential to protecting your home from water damage. We understand the importance of keeping your gutters in top shape, especially as we approach the rainy season. That's why we offer comprehensive inspection, cleaning, and repair services to ensure your home stays dry and safe. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Advanced Seamless Gutters today to schedule an inspection and protect your home from water damage this rainy season. Advanced Seamless Gutters, protecting your home and your peace of mind.